In this video, I'm going to show how I make my homemade ginger ale syrup. To get things started, I'm going to add 2 cups of water to a medium saucepan and get that heating. While I'm waiting on that, I'm going to take 4 ounces of washed ginger root and peel off all the skin. Once my ginger's peeled, I'll chop it into thin slices and then go all the way to a mince with it. We'll set that to the side for a minute and go back to our boiling water, where I'll add 1 cup of packed brown sugar and 1 cup of ordinary white table sugar. And then I'll stir those in so that they don't burn on the bottom. Next in is the zest from 1 lemon. As well as the juice from that lemon. And what the juice does beyond just adding a citrusy flavor is the acidity will help prevent the sugar from recrystallizing once the syrup cools down. Now I'll go ahead and add my spices. First one in is 1 teaspoon of ground allspice, followed by 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, and 2 teaspoons of ground cardamom. Once the spices are in, I'll go ahead and add my minced ginger root, and then we'll stir this whole mixture and let it cook. Let the mixture simmer uncovered for about 15 to 20 minutes. Here you can see I've gotten it a little bit too hot, but that's alright. It'll just be a little more concentrated than usual. After 15 to 20 minutes, take it off the heat and set it aside to cool for about an hour. While it's cooling, I'm going to go ahead and set up my filter. I'm just using a metal coffee filter. And then we'll just pour the whole mixture through. Now, it may be necessary to go through with a spoon and just kind of scrape the sides of the filter, because the smaller spices can clog it up and make it take forever. So anyways, once it's filtered, I'll take the syrup and transfer it to the jar that I'm going to store it in. And then I'll go ahead and start adding the 5 tablespoons of glycerin. What the glycerin does is it makes the soda really, really smooth. You'll feel it. It kind of sticks to the tongue in a way. And here I've just rinsed out the pitcher with a little bit of water to get that last bit of syrup in there. To prepare the ginger ale, I'm just going to pour out a glass of carbonated water. And then I'll add in about 2 tablespoons of the soda syrup. Stir this around, and there's the completed homemade ginger ale. This is my own recipe, and if you guys try it, I'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for some more videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching.